Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: in Microsoft Excel 2016, the menu toolbar appears whenever you select a text. B. Press the home key on the keyboard. C. Press the insert key on the keyboard. D. Select a text and answer the question. The correct answer is D. Select a text. In Microsoft Excel 2016, the menu toolbar appears when you select text within a cell. It provides quick access to formatting options such as font style, size, bold, italic, underline, text, color, and sets background color. This toolbar appears near the selected text for convenient and quick formatting adjustments. Therefore, option D accurately describe when the mini toolbar appears in Microsoft Excel 2016. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.